Hi everyone, this is Jennifer and I'm back again with another video and just going over some of my epoxy resin on wood panels. This is a piece that I already started and it's pink and white. I have a lot of requests for a lot of pink. So I decided to do something pink. So it's two different panels. They're 12 by 12 on wood panels. And this is how it looks after I pour resin down and also use the fire glass. And now I'm just going in on this part showing you how I'm adding the silver paint to the fire glass around the edges. I always do that just to give it a little bit more contrast to the glass. And then also I will be adding some of the glitter. And then I also draw lines onto it as well. So just a quick rundown of what I do, as you can see in this video. It's actually pretty cool to actually make it. And then I always go back in with the torch and just make sure that you pop any bubbles. That works. And then of course, if you get too much on there, you can hurry up and wipe it off because it dries very quickly. I struggle with that sometimes, but I use alcohol and Q-tips to try to get it up as best as I can. Because yeah, once it's down, it's hard to get off, as you can see in this video. Coming back in, just trying to clean it up some more. And this is actually a collection that I did. I did an 8-piece collection of 12 by 12s, all different colors, which turned out really, really amazing and great. And this is just me adding more of the paint to the fire glass. Just the little details. I think the details is what matter when you're being creative. You know, imagination, just let it go. And again, these were two separate panels. So you see me going back and forth between the two panels with this as well. So just finished up with the paint, and as you can see, this is the final pieces. Thanks for watching.